What's good, people? It's your boy Paul the Saint. On today's video I am going to be changing the lights on my Golf mk1, aka the Saint. So yeah, this is like now my second time changing the lights. I bought us cheap lights. They look nice, but that's it's not on. I'm not still gonna check with you guys. It's not on. So yeah, I bought crystals. I'm gonna put the crystals in. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, gotta remove us pins or whatever they are. So yeah, warrior. Plus, I bought us cheap lights. Nah, they look I won't lie, because I like the ring. I first initially had the angel eyes. I had both of the angel eyes. Then I wanted to upgrade both of them to the Jeep lights, but the inner Jeep lights, ain't no way I'm gonna pay 1.5 for one. What? So it's 1.5. This things cost me 400 each. So I'm not gonna still do that. Maybe when I'm a Lani, once upon a time in the future, then I'ma change back. But for now, yes, the crystals now reads for the inners and the outers. So yeah, let us now do what must be done, changing the look on the Saint once again. So yeah, the grill is off. Also, the other reason why I'm changing the lights is because this Dula here broke off over inners. So yeah, I might as well just change both of them instead of keeping the angel eyes. And yeah, so let us get the new ones in and see how them looks like, bro. So England, now I realized I already put the one light in, took the one light out, took the rest of the grill, and I realized I wasn't recording.
You are slow learner.
You can see I was long last on a YouTube game.
Okay.
But yeah, this is how the light looks so far in the grill. Actually, I didn't film too much. Also, I'm also dumb. I didn't still check. But so yeah, this is how the light looks like now, or the car now. So yeah, there's the one, and there's the other one. You must come off. Put it on, and I must put the other one on here. This is how far I took the inners out after I struggled. Yeah, angel eyes for sale, nothing wrong, it's just the mounting brackets are broken. Hit me up if you're interested. Here's the other new light, the other new light. So yeah, let us do what must be done. So this is how I mounted mine. What cable ties? I was cock lazy. So yeah, there's my last one, the inside. That's how I mounted my lights, because this bracket, I don't know how you're supposed to modify it for Golf 1, but yeah, I made my own plan. So yeah guys, I didn't still film much because I'm in a bit of a time crunch, because I have a photo shoot to go to. I was supposed to be there like an hour ago. I don't know, I also decided to do the lights late. But yeah, that's how the lights look. Come, I just show you on chucks. So yeah, the lights are in. I gotta just go and get spotlights and LEDs. For now, I'm gonna rock the OEM orange light. But yeah, I'm loving the look, not gonna lie. It's just that I don't like the fact that these OEM lights sit so deep inside, and I don't like a space also, yo. I don't like a space, but what can we do? We're going for the OEM plus look, nah. Car gotta be looking sexy, gotta just polish the tires. And then we on like a scone.